It's hot in the Valley of the Sun. Every day it seems like we're breaking some weather record. The real estate market, not to be outdone, is playing along with the heat. This is Cheryl Pocock with Realty One Group with your monthly market update. The housing market is setting records at an all-time high. The monthly average sales price hit a new record in July of over $393,000. This easily surpasses a previous record set in March of this year of just over $378,000. This chart shows the history of the average price year over year. Median price also continues to rise with no sign of slowing down. Half of all homes in the valley sold below the median price. In July, 72% of those were single-family homes, 22% were townhomes and condos, and 6% were manufactured or mobile homes. 1 year ago, the median price was $280,000, and 74% that sold below the median price were single-family homes. Sales price per square foot, the best measure of actual appreciation, hit an all-time high in July at $193.75 a square foot. This is significant because it breaks a record set back in May of 2006. The difference is that in May in 2006, that represented the bubble, the peak of the bubble, which you could then see prices fall dramatically over the next 3 years. Today's current reading does not look like a peak at all. July also set a record for closed listings in a single month. It should therefore come to no surprise that the dollar volume was also at a record high level. In fact, July was the first month in history where the dollar volume exceeded $4 billion. This hot growth brings with it some challenges. There's a shortage of properties for sale. Part of the problem is that the new listings are down 7.3% versus last year. In July, the trend shifted and new listings were up 15.8% over last July. But August seems to be slowing down to match last year's new listings. We normally expect to see inventory grow between August and November of every year, so we'll keep an eye on this. As active listings stay low, houses are selling faster and demand keeps growing. Sellers are often negotiating multiple offers and buyers are fighting to secure their new homes. There are several factors leading to our housing shortage. Valley population has grown 26.4% since 2006, but we've only seen 17% growth in residential properties. According to the Maricopa Association of Governments, the last decade saw fewer housing units added to stock since the 1960s. Rental prices also continue to skyrocket. Investors who purchase foreclosed properties after the crash are generating lots of income and despite rising appreciation are holding on to those properties and milking the cash flow, keeping large numbers of properties out of circulation. And interest rates remain at an all-time low, which is driving demand. Even when more properties come on the market, they're bought up quickly. 50% of the homes listed in the last 2 weeks have gone under contract in less than 7 days. Though we typically see a seasonal drop in August, we're busy, but I'm never too busy for you or your family or friends who want to jump in the fire of this sizzling hot real estate market. Just give me a call. I'm Cheryl Pocock with Realty One Group, and I'm happy to help.